My name is Jesper van Oorschot. I'm a franchise consultant at Domino's. In the Netherlands we have 285 stores and I think we have 7,000 people working at Domino's. We have much smaller stores in smaller cities and areas. We started working with workforce in 2018. For that reason, we're also working more efficient with the use of the platform. We can make really good rosters and make sure we have a high SPMH and a low labor, including a good service.
My name is Joes. I'm 24 years old. Now, before we are using Workforce, there was one roster. Every week was the same. But the sales in every week are not the same. One week you need more deliver guys and the other week less. And with Workforce you can see exactly which day how much employees you need. So I think it's a little bit easier for the employees.
Hi, my name is Martin Steens. I'm a franchise operation director. I am working now for Domino's for 22 years. The Workforce platform solved a lot of challenges for us. One of the big challenges they solve for us is the high labor cost. We see stores who use Workforce, they can save like between 25 and 30 labor hours per week. In euros, a saving like between 150 and 160 euros per week per store. So staff members really like copying rosters from the past week to the next week. It saves them a lot of time using the rosters and making the rosters.
My name is Sjoerd. 25 years ago I started as a driver for Domino's Pizza. Currently I'm a franchisee. I own 5 stores. So since we have used the platform, we have improved our SPMH by about 2, I think, which is a huge saving in money. And the manager, she works on it for an hour, 1.5 per week, and she makes a very strict and correct roster with that. So that's not a lot of time to make a very good roster.
The Pulse integration makes it quite easy to see sales data from previous days, so you can make like a good roster for in the future. You can see how many side items you sell on a certain time, how many deliveries you have. Working with the Workforce team was really straightforward. They support us all the time. When we have questions that they can answer us. They really know how our brand works and how we sell pizzas, and they were at every training session.
Domino's is really becoming a more and more technical company. Compared to the competitor, we have the GPS system who tracks our drivers. We have the rostering system. I think that gives us as an advantage. I don't think it stops here. There's more to come.